Iyang o kasalenya mengko. Hai chingal sakaratan kapung o wow pan kukuran sama child coach. Kay poni ponorok sokon pon peyu. Pachiwan waun ki isoko likan ko nanalang ko o nan kanikan. Hai chingal wow choror ang sob machel kop nan win pon pey. Karyawan kop na. Speaker kay sakeo and Pohnpei State Legislature o yang umuson kawata kusanat kang koros won ki song kobung labalab o yang umuson kobungkan koros songrokan o labalab kaiti o sustakan koros nan palian momotso chiak o government o bachuan won ki John Way unsa. Yet so Rongen Rahnwet of mamay som baba Fraulein Frederick Naban pachuan pa kita autapan rong pukach. Hirakayo yay kaulan puka ang Congress kari sa payo and win evasan. Ransaraw may isakeo pariagdri sa klimao. Kasarawi and kaulan puka eo pachuan wiyawin ng Congress chamber and evasam government complex. Mebacho palakarwin Pohnpei. Kasarawa chap taglakaisak ni Maysang o Mr. Manuel Chiyoma Mabachuanuya Master of Ceremony, the MC Nan Kasarawi, Wach, Onyan Sawocha Mabachuanuya Assistant Public Information Officer on Evastum Congress. Palakayo nan program ye Bacholong and William Bachelkan nan Evastum Congress, sang nan ewewe o nan loptikan Marabachuan Walyan, Mabachuan Pointal, nanususil mabachalam ni mas payo pariagdri sa klimaw. And bachuan sansalang kubrakan koros yet wali bachelkan nan mumot and evasam congress sang nan ewewe o loptian sus. Sang wanyap, the Honorable Handy P. Chor, mabachuan walian Congressional Election District Nambayo, o the Honorable Joseph J. Wursmal, mabachuan walian Congressman at Large Dason Parpay. Sang Wenchuk, Congressional Delegation. Old Julio M. Marar, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambayo. Ye, Tagan Wachlangan. The Honorable Victor Vicky Colin, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambayo. Ye, Northern Namoneas. The Honorable Perpetual S. Conman, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambasilu, Mayay, Southern Namoneas, the Honorable Twitter Aritos, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambabayo, Yay, Faichik Region, the Honorable Robson U. Romulo, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambalamau, Mayay, Halls, and the Northwestern Region, or the Honorable Fabian S. Nemea, Mabachuanuya, Congressman at Large, Sambarbayong Ong Wingchu. Ong Wing Bushrai, the Bushrai State Congressional Delegation, the Honorable Johnson A. Asher, Mabachuan Walian Congressional Election District Nambayo, or Honorable Yoslin G. Zikra, Mabachuanuya, Congresswoman at Large, Sambarbayong. Ong Nangwin Pohnpei, the Pohnpei State Congressional Delegation, the Honorable Merlin Abela Alfonso, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambayo, Mabachuan Miawi Kita, Colonial Saka, Sabuafil Nekworo, o Kapngamarangi, the Honorable Jeremy W. Mutang, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambayo, Mabachuan Miawi Kita, Wayne Matalanim, o Wayne Kichi, the Honorable Esmond P. Moses, Mabachuan Walian, Election District Nambasilo, Mabachuan Miawi Kita, Wayne Nach, Wayne O. Panglang o Magalang, o the Honorable Peter M. Christian, Mabachuan Congressman at Large, the Sambarbayo. Siom FSM student choir में बचुअन कमाइश नन कसरावच हो बिल बचुअन पातार पुकान कौल की South Machel National Anthem. The Honorable Peter M. Christian में बचुअन मिया speaker in Lebanon Sau बचुअन लुकयांग Erwan Poren Marston Tripon Ernest Henry Hong Lolo and Richungata. The Honorable Pauline Carl में बचुअन मिया acting Chief Justice on FSM Supreme Court में बचुअन पातार कौलान पुकावच Hong William Bachai Masus Kapkan, non FSM, Korea Sapayo in Congress. Speaker and Lieutenant of Christian Bachuan was the Tar Chipanawacho Bachuan Itiatar, Credential Committee, Ye Bachuania, Bachak Sabalang Amanaman Waliapa, Ang Eligibility, Osan Saltar, non the Sangnan Committee, Mawaliapa Koros Bachuan eligible, o Kakuya Waliapa Man, non Momot and FSM Congress. Tamaban sansalan sok sachi tamakasanti tapaitanan chiabaran kayo ponran kayo mechangatitan speaker, vice speaker, floor leader, or chairman and AWL standing committee. The Honorable Esmond P. Moses, met Pachuan Tita or Pachuan Wia, speaker in Congress Korea Sapayo and FSM Congress. The Honorable Robson U. Romalo, Pachuan Wia, vice speaker. O the Honorable Julio M. Marar Mabachuan Uya, floor leader. Ang Chairman Khan and AOL Standing Committee. The Honorable Perpetua S. Conman Mabachuan Uya, Chairperson and Standing Committee on Health. The Honorable Joseph J. Urismal Mabachuan Uya, Chairman and Standing Committee on Education. The Honorable Andy B. Chor Mabachuan Uya, Chairman and Jayango. The Honorable Victor Vicky Colin, Mebachuanwea Chairman and Transportation and Communication. The Honorable Fabian S. Nemea, Mebachuanwea Chairman and Ways and Means. The Honorable Johnson A. Asher, Mebachuanwea Chairman and Committee and Resources and Development. The Honorable Yoslin G. Sikra, Mebachuanwea Chairman and Climate Change and Emergency Management. For the Honorable Peter M. Christian Mebachuanwea, Chairman and Committee on External Affairs. Hong Committee to wait on the President, Yech Irailkan, the Honorable Yoslin G. Sikra Mebachuan Bilibiltar, Chairman, o Member Kan Ye, the Honorable Fabian S. Nemea, the Honorable Marlene Apelo Alfonso, or the Honorable Handy P. Chor. Yamech Mebachuan Paita Nan Kasarawi and Kaulan Pukawach, O Chiapanan Ran Kasantukayo and Congress, Kari Sapayo and Wayne FSM. Ira Karyao, Ye Kasabulan FSM Convention Center. Nimay Isakwano, Pariagtri Saklimao, Kasarawi and Kasabulpan National Convention Center, Mepacho, Palakarnanwi Sagas, Pachuan Chaptang Laki Saknamensa. Mebachuanwea MC Mr. Candy A. Eliezer, Met Bilbachuanwea Special Advisor on FSM President. Mebachuan Wea Laulau and Richungatanan Kasarawach Ye Patre Jofi Thompson. Puerto Kachti and Wasalabalab Nan Puchak Bugania, Nan Markian Win Sakos, Isanankan Sakos, Nanalag o Nankanye. Uyakana Cheo, Pachuan Uyawi, Gwen Kasamo, Kochtuach. Speaker and FSM Congress, Kari Sapayo, the Honorable Esmond P. Moses, Met Pachuan Walian to Kochtuach, Oya Sakaratan Kosam, on Kochti, and Monsaboko, Isoko, President and FSM His Excellency Wesley W. Simina, Vice President and FSM the Honorable Aaron P. Palek, Nanalag Nankanye, First Lady and FSM, Second Lady and FSM, Lugodolabalab Chorus, Nanpalir Momotso, Chiak o Government, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Waliapan Office Chakan, Menel Ambassador and People's Republic of China, His Excellency Wu Wei, Chingal staff, Mabashonger Chundatangkan and national government, o Bachuan organized the Kasanet Kasarawach, Panay kan o koros machaweta kasarawian rechta o kasawaj. Project with your presentation now mabtata project the Kokotan project which Pachuanwiawi sang Mr. Jackie Feng Moya project leader. Video which Pachuan Kasalatar Momo and Kokotan the Kamagutpan project which Sangacha niya Pachuan Chapta o Lalaton sa Makasanti and Richta on John Wei o Kasabulang national government. Mr. He Rashang Moya Deputy Director General at Ministry and Foreign Affairs Office ng Guangdong, Wing, China, Bilbachuan Pachong Presentation Watch, o Bachuan Kabasa Project Watch, o Bachuan may Project Watch pan inanen kakelaka minimin mamiyayar ng Pangawin FSM o People's Republic of China. Muanakap o pinapkan sangwino, makamait ng kasarawach, Niarail Pachuan Kasala, the Kapara, Kalakchia, Ongis, Mepita, Saipan, Putungao, o Putungay. Kamay Chuach Pachuanis of Machel Kapacho Chiakan Pompey. His Excellency Wu Wei, Ambassador in People's Republic of China, Pachuan Chingal Saratan Kapasa o Kapam. Nana Chingal Saratan Pachuan Kapasa Project Wedge. O Pachuan Chingal Kapam, Puego Chuch Panon Wei Riao, Malatar Poitan Project Masansal, Unian Sawocha, Pin Pachuan Baku Chuchwach and Gakpabos Lacha, Nanranakan, Mebankan Pachot. Murin Sakaratawach, Yay Thailand Certificate, the Sinico on handover and convention wedge, or Secretary Carlson D. Apis or Ambassador Wei Met Pachuan Thailand Certificate Bugach. Murin Thailand Certificate Yay Kasabulenki and Project Wedge, Met Pachuan Yawi Sang Mr. Cha Feng, Project Leader, Mr. He Rashang, Deputy Director General or Ambassador Wu Wei, Ong Vice President and FSM, the Honorable R&D Pallet, or Secretary Lauren S. Robert. Kamay Chen Call Eo Bachon Yawe Sang Siom FSM Choir, the Queen and Call Sang Siom FSM, Me Pachichiki FSM Kamorale. His Excellency Wesley W. Simina, President and Wayne FSM, Pilpachonia Chingal Sakaratan Kapung, Melel Ong Ambassador Wu Wei, o Government and People's Republic of China, Pwede Project Kasalel, Meban Melel Kamangayala Eupanan Tatak, Nan Punganuin FSM Munsak, Pachuan Kapung Ki Uchuch o Chow, some government and Wayne China, Pwede Sawasan Project Watch o Project Kan, American Pachuan Ilkiam Wayne FSM. Murin Sagratawach ye Rupan Cutting o Kachin Batar Bukawach ye Nananak Sakos, Nankanye Sakos, First Lady and Wayne FSM, and Sally Simina o Second Lady Atalita Palik. Wasalabalak Nan Pachapukinia, Nan Markin Sakos, Kachin Pangak o Nansabulmar Pangak, Rakachin Kapung Kumelan on Wayne China, Pwede Project Kasalel, Mesansaler, o Bulkalangatar, Nan Wayne Ponpay, Medan Nansabulmar Way, Yay Wayne Sakos. Yay Pangak Watch, Makam Sakalar Kasarawian, Kasabul and Everson Convention Center Watch. One Karan, Nolensner, Charlie, Met Pachuamiayer Lolo, the Kabakap and Richingati, Nan Kasarawi, Kasampal Watch. Hero Kasidu o Kaim Saklan Ira, Yay Usus and Lukamalap o Isokanati, Nanwin Kichi. Ni May Reyesak Isur Yabat Reyesak Lima, Wayne Kichi Pankachim Nan Usus and Rapan Kupur, Yay Usus and Lukamalap o Isokanati, Kan Nan Kichi Municipal Government. August and Susan Wayne Kichi, Men Pachawan Kabasayang Chon Way of Melan Wayne Kichi, Irail kan na Pachawan Kaptalanger, Aray Chingalatakan, Paranyang ya men Pilipil the candidate of Ser and Lukamalap o Ser and Isokanati nan usus makasantier pan bachuan paita niara Mary sa kasuri tre sa klimaw. Irail kan na bachuan niya candidate ang lukamala ye incumbent Emerson Ebraham, candidate Jefferson B. Frederick, o candidate Marcin Rosario. Irail kan na bachuan niya candidate ang isokanati na lobtukayo Mchewanriawi kita Wana o Roy, Yay candidate Alpina Kerman Jr., candidate Branson Martin, incumbent Charles Amusden, candidate Harold Ocampo, incumbent Project Emmanuel, incumbent Salvation Salvador. Irailkan Webachormia candidate Ong Sogareti Nan Loptukariao, Sang Onpain Pachodo Len Nanman o Salabuk, Yet Irailkan candidate Angelo Jonathan, incumbent Pensis B. Elias, candidate Clinton Manuel, candidate Herbert Sanders, candidate Maverick Miguel, incumbent Richardson Abraham, candidate Walton W. August, o incumbent Wino Inos. Ang irail candidate kan ang isokanati and love to kaslo sang lawachip Pachodalan Payas, candidate Andren Dolan, candidate Halbert H. Elias, candidate Facindo F. Yohanes, incumbent Harvey G. Spencer, candidate Jeffrey Panuel, incumbent Kendrickson Manuel, candidate Vertasio Samuel, candidate Silverina R. Peter, or incumbent Wolperter Samuel. Yay irailkan mepachewon longer arach ngalat, korangya sa gurmanwin kichimen pilipil ang nalusus at lukan malak o isokanati. Opsa nusus ang win kichi pachewon konganga John win kichun sak melel chewa melel and win kichi mepachpacho nan win chekan and gubur kalangan mararata o kochla dabachola yang usus o pilata walya pamail nan ser bukach masansalea naran maglaltira ang ususwaj. Kalanganin kubur karos mechi sa machay Rongen Rahnwet Pachewan naglukay kubrakan in Machinsa Valley Radio Physics Age ang rong kabakan mebankin pachotong. Kalanganin kubur chorus o kasalelya.